FAMAS, humingi ng pasensya kay Miss Eva Darren, anak di makapaniwala. Humingi na nga ng pasensya ang pamunuan ng FAMAS Award sa pamamagitan ng official statement sa beteranang aktres na si Miss Eva Darren. Anak ni Miss Darren hindi naman makapaniwala sa idinahilan ng FAMAS kung bakit pinalitan ang ina bilang presenter. Matapos nga mag-trending at naging usap-usapan sa social media ang balitang di umano'y pambabastos ng FAMAS sa beteranang aktres na si Eva Darren, kaagad din naman naglabas ng official statement ang pamunuan ng award-giving body. Sa pamamagitan ng isang Facebook post, humingi ng paumanhin ang FAMAS sa beteranang aktres na si Eva Darren. Sa nasabing pahayag binanggit ang naging dahilan kaya dumako sila sa last-minute na pagpapalit ng presenter. Ayon sa pahayag hindi umano malocate ang kinaroroonan ni Miss Darren noong panahon na oras niya nang magpunta sa entablado, kasama niya sana si Mr. Tirso Cruz III, na magpipresent ng special citations. Live telecast umano ang nasabing event, at hindi maaaring maantala. Kaya naman humanap na lamang sila ng kapalit ng beteranang aktres. Narito ang official statement ng FAMAS. FAMAS would like to express its sincerest apologies to Miss Eva Darren, an icon in Philippine movie industry and a professional actress, whose career is indubitably worthy of emulation. She was part of the program in last night's awards night and was supposed to present special citations with Mr. Tirso Cruz III, but considering that we were running a live show, and due to myriads of people present in last night's festivities, the production team was not able to locate Miss Darren. This was indeed a setback in the live show and a negligence on the part of the team. Rest assured that this was not intentional and purely a misjudgment. The show is being streamed live and needed to be remedied right away, hence, a replacement for Miss Darren was done last minute. We are writing this with a heavy heart, especially after hearing that Miss Darren and her family were terribly hurt by this unintentional disregard to her presence and stature. We truly value Miss Darren and the rest of the veteran stars present last night true to the homecoming concept of the show. But as there were brilliant moments to the most star-studded awards night in recent memory, there were also hitches and unfortunate developments in a live show such as this one. We understand that an apology alone cannot undo the damage this might have caused Miss Darren, but we are committed to make amends and rebuild her trust by a personal visit of the FAMAS board to honor her stature, if she allows it. Samantala, hindi naman lubusang matanggap ng anak ng beteranang aktres ang naging paliwanag na ito ng FAMAS. Sa pamamagitan ng isang komento, sinabi ni Fernando de la Peña na nasa harap at gitna ng entablado ang kanyang ina. Katabi umano nito ang isa ring artista na si Miss Marisa Delgado.